Whoa, y'all are close to me. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We got the cars out. We are Tail of the Dragon bound. I got Cody with me. This weekend's gonna be dope. Hope you guys are ready. We got all the stuff done to the FRS. It's gonna be my first mountain pass with all the stuff done, so we'll see how she does. Yeah, hope you guys are excited. It's gonna be a great weekend. Stay tuned and enjoy the montage. NASCAR, baby, NASCAR. We got to get that gas mileage, baby. Drafting, boys. Oh, he's swerving. He's swerving. Yo, I'm so, like, you probably can't see on video. I'm probably 2 feet away from him. Yo.
What's up, boss?
We made it. We made it, boys. Let's go. There's another one. I thought it was boxer weekend, bro. How long have you been sitting here?
Like 2 seconds.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Perfect timing.
This is so
Check this place out. Can I open this? Can I open this? Thanks, Dad.
Welcome to Lake Hoffa.
We got the Ninja Turtles.
I really got something for you. You ready for this?
Is that my birthday present?
Happy birthday, baby. No, where's the money?
Whoa. Hey. I got to test it out. It's like a preview, you know what I'm saying?
Right, yeah.
Like,
test drive. Like a test drive.
Yeah, like minute 30 preview, and then you see the movie?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you. Yo, boys, check this out. I'm not an avid hiker, so give me dude, I'm gonna bust my ass. Look at this goat. Dude, look, he's coming towards me. Hey, buddy. Oh, he's got a pink collar. Shall I stick my fingers in there?
No.
Oh, he just came trundling over here. Rabies. All right, boys. We already made one run up here to get lunch, but we're headed this whole afternoon. All right, shut up, Wes. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. It's gonna be dope. Let's get it. Guys, if you ever come to the Dragon, make sure to stop at this lodge. It's called Topoko Lodge. Really good food, good atmosphere, and it is gorgeous down here. Someone say popcorn? Oh, did someone say cannons? Oh, there's Wes. Dude, that thing leans in the corners.
I want to see him go fast on it, honestly.
Dude, Miller's car sounds so good. If it was just a little bit louder, oh my God. Race line, yee! That's it right there. I don't know if you guys heard that. Maybe it's me scrubbing up there. I don't know, dude. I don't know. Mod your car, they said. It'd be fun, they said. Note to self, or not note to self, because I already knew this, but if you guys want to mod your car, just prepare to, 1, constantly be fixing it, and 2, it'd be making weird noises and be unreliable as hell. Dude, on the way up here, man, my car took a beating on the interstate on the way up here, because, you know, like on the bridges and stuff, they got those little bumps getting onto it, because obviously it's not the same surface, so that there's a little bump, dude. I hit, it wasn't one of those, but I scraped on a bunch of those. It was a pothole in the interstate. I'll put a video for you guys up on it. Bro, like, the video's stabilized, dude. That's how you know it's bad. Like, bro, I hit a motocross jump. Dude, I took air. I took flight, dude. I thought I was going to the moon. Dead ass. Damn, dude, he's pulling people over left and right. Miller, next pull-off spot, pull over, let me pass you, and try and stay on my ass end. I really want to see what's scrubbing, dude. How'd that feel?
Dude, that was fucking insane. That was so insane. Oh my god.
That is the fastest you've ever gone by far. Give me something. We were ripping.
If it was dry out and hot and our tires were super sticky, we could be fast.
Yeah, we were getting it.
Right.
Damn! Every time, dude, it takes your breath away. I mean, that's a big. Damn!
What do you think?
Dude, I'm getting vertigo.
You see that little building right there?
Yeah.
It shoots
Yeah.
water up and it hoses over and hits the road.
Right there?
Yeah. That little thing, it shoots water all the way down and never hits the road every time.
Are you serious?
Yeah, whenever they have to.
But imagine this.
Well, this water's been low ever since the last time I came.
Yeah, I know, dude.
Dude, I love
we
this.
can go
This
park
place
down
is
there,
so
right?
pretty. Yeah. What you got under there, Jack Stan?
His arm's gonna get decapitated.
Look, dude.
Yeah,
all I'm
his
saying
fall right here
is
on
if
the
this
Yeah, but your arm,
Chinese
though.
scissor stand decides it doesn't want to hold up my car anymore, you're going to see Jesus. Hello. Excuse me, sir. I need some help, please.
Karen.
Sure.
Got some damage here.
That means we're going fast, baby.
Wait, hold on.
Wait, no, don't wipe out.
Look, bro.
That's just a bug.
Oh yeah, putting that on a t-shirt.
You ready? wait.
Oh.
Y'all want to go kayaking? Slow down here, sharp turn. That came up on me fast. That turn's dangerous if you don't know how sharp it is.
Okay, Cody woke the f up. Cody woke the f up.
So much fun, dude. So much fun.
What if the Subarus? Cody, what the f? What? You're going so damn fast, boy. I can't be alive all the time.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are at the scenic overlook. Wow, I'm not a good vlogger, but
Ryan.
we got everybody here.
Brian.
What?
Oh, we were working them, baby. Dude,
woke
he
up?
was cooking.
I know. It's been a great day here at Taylor Dragon, my favorite place on planet Earth. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. Tune in tomorrow. It's supposed to rain. So don't know if we're going to be filming, but Sunday it's not supposed to rain, so we're going to be ripping. So I'll see you guys then. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.